안녕하세요. Your Korean partner 아루사예요. Can you answer this question? 생일이 언제예요? 생일이 언제예요? When's your birthday? To be able to answer this question, you should know Sino-Korean numbers. You can check it out here. How about this question? 지금 몇 시예요? What time is it now? 몇 시예요? To answer this question, you should know native Korean numbers and Sino-Korean numbers. So in this video, we will practice how to tell the date and time. Sino-Korean numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Remember? Native Korean numbers 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. When you tell the date, you use Sino-Korean numbers. You say the Sino-Korean number and then put
월, 엔, 일.
You say the Sino-Korean number and then put
월, 엔, 일.
1월, 2월, 3월, 4월, 5월, 6월. Yes, for June, we don't say 6월, it is 6월. 기억 is removed. 6월, 7월, 8월, 9월, 10월. We say 10월. 비읍 is removed. 10월. Now, November. 11월, 11월, 11월. December. 12, 12월, 12월. My birth month is October, so 10월. How about you? What is your birth month?
Hello?
Okay, now for the date. You say the Sino-Korean number and then put 1. 1일, 2일, 3일. The 11th, 11일, 11일, 12일, 13일. The 20th, 20일, 21일, 22일. The 30th, 30일, 31일. Now you can say your birthday. 생일이 언제예요? 생일이 언제예요? 제 생일은, my birthday is, 제 생일은 10월 9일이에요. 한글날? 한글데이. 한글날 is 10월 9일. 생일이 언제예요?
Hello?
Very good. 좋아요. 결혼했어요? Are you married? If so, when is your wedding anniversary? 결혼 기념일이 언제예요?
Hello?
좋아요. What's the date today? 오늘 며칠이에요? 오늘 며칠이에요? 오늘 며칠이에요?
Hello?
월, 일. Now, for telling the time, first, for the hour, we use native Korean numbers. For the minute, we use Sino-Korean numbers. 1 second. 1초. 지금 몇 시예요? 몇 시예요? 지금 몇 시예요? It's 1:01. 1시 1분이에요. 1시 1분. It's 2:02. 2시 2분이에요. Yeah, I know. I don't understand why we started using two different number systems for the time telling, but that's how it works. 1시, 2시, 3시, 4시, 5시. So here, remember the first 4 digits. 한두세네. These words precedes a noun. 한시, or for one animal, 한 마리. But when you count numbers on its own, you say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷. From 다섯, 5, it's the same. Either it accompanies another noun or what. Again, remember, only for hour we use native Korean numbers. If you like this video, please hit 좋아요와 구독.
They tell me that I'm never make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but